All right, you guys, we are going to be opening a bunch of boxes, starting with this one from one of my favorite suppliers. We're going to be filling up this entire table full of crystals, and I will flash all of the highlights as we are opening things. We've never done a vlog like this before, so hopefully you guys like it. Okay, we already found something good. Of course. These blue coral bracelets. Oh my god. This is not from my regular bracelet supplier, but we will have more bracelets, but these will hopefully list first. Also just open these big butterflies. Oh my gosh, so, oh, the dinosaur.
Oh, they have lots of rainbows.
And the dino. These are big fluorite palm stones. Wow, look at the clarity. Ooh, mini yak.
We love them.
So cute. Look how pretty.
Aww.
It's a blue calcite. Oh my gosh. These super cute flower bowls. Look at these little dolphins. So cute. I think they called them sharks on my invoice, actually. Look at how cute these super fat Buddhas are in gorgeous gold sheen. Love it. Okay, this is everything we unboxed. Mini lab kitties, couple of Hello Kitty heads, bunch of money toads, bunch of fluorite dishes, some more money toads, more fluorites. These are amazing. And some kitty head bowls in Midnight Lace Obsidian. Next, we're gonna open the cathedrals. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, here's our first one. I got mini ones, you guys. Gorgeous. You want to see the big reveal?
Yeah.
Here's the next one. This is not the biggest. Here is this one with calcite. She's gorgeous, 5.9 kilos. She's got calcite in the bottom, blue banding around the quartz part, which is more rare, and then an ombre color in her. The next one, it's a twin. Also, you can see the little moss agate on the side. So pretty. Love. Here's the last one. Let me get her facing y'all. Look, it comes with this big orb, ombre cave. The thing that's so pretty about these is there's moss agate on the side, and then there's blue lace banding all around. That's why I love these pieces. Gorgeous! Which one's your fave? You have to tell me. Okay, so this is number 1. This one's number 2, number 3, and the number 4 pair. Comment down below what's your favorite. Okay, we're on to the next box. This is all Brazilian materials. Look at all of the citrines. We got a lot to open. Look at these babies. They have big rainbows. So this one has white amphibole in it. Look at that one. She's smoky. These are Lumarians with the striations, completely raw. This one has some ampable. That one has a perfect hexagon, like in the top. Got some rose quartz and some wands. Look at the quality. I don't think the color is gonna show up, but this is like a grapefruit one. I might have to keep it. This one. Wow, look at this one. Look at how clear this rose quartz is. That's
Wow.
incredible. This one has a phantom rose quartz. Look at these. They're rose and golden. We're oohing and eyeing over all of this. It's incredible. This is a gift. It's so pretty. Look at this baby. She's huge. So gorgeous. This was everything we unboxed. Oh my gosh, so many amazing pieces. I almost can't even believe how many pieces are in here. Definitely some keeps from my personal collection. We're gonna work on pricing these probably so we can get them to you guys. Look at the mess this created. Oh my god. Okay, we're already getting things all priced out. Yay. Okay, it's a couple hours later and all of this is priced. The rose and the golden healers. Getting there. All right, you guys, it is the next day and everything is priced and basically ready to be photographed and listed. We have some beautiful rose quartz and golden healer pieces here. My sister and I were joking last night, like we could just go live right now and sell everything. That it was like getting close to 10 p.m. So we're like, maybe not. But gorgeous golden healer with rose quartz. Then we have some AAA grade rose quartz. Some of the literal clearest pieces. This piece is only $12. Like, so good. Super clear rose quartz. Only $23. I haven't seen the pricing on any of these. So really good pricing for AAA grade Brazilian rose quartz. Then we have some raw smoky Lumarians. These are larger, completely raw, completely naked. Then we're gonna have some $15 citrine towers. They're just gonna be, look at how clear that is. They're just gonna be intuitively chosen. Some are super dark. So we've got a ton of really nice quality citrine. And then these are all the, this is a lot. These are gonna be all the individually listed citrine towers. Gorgeous pieces. I'll just give you an example on price. This piece is only $40 for genuine, authentic citrine from Brazil. Really nice quality. This one's only $63. but we have these $15 ones if you have a smaller budget. And then we have even more here. So we have truly 3 bins of citrine for y'all. This is 5 kilos, over 5 kilos of citrine. This is all we're gonna have for a while. Obviously, I'm not gonna list it all at once because that would be like ridiculous. So I think I'll list like 40 at a time. These will always be available and these will be listed first. And then we'll try to get everything else just listed as quickly as we can. Depends on having really good sun, which we have not had. So anyways, that is the really fun unboxing. All of the other things I showed in this video, we actually have not gotten to price yet. Those will probably be priced in another week because my assistant right now only comes once a week. So that is the update with these. They're so gorgeous. I have been having this box sit in my garage for like 2 months, so it was time to open the pretties. Anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out and for watching. Let me know if you kind of like this more behind the scenes. We spend about 5 hours, my assistant and I, working every week at night to make some progress in the crystal shop, and it's been, I keep thinking to myself like, oh, we should document this. So I decided to finally pull out the camera and film what we're doing. So anyways, hope you guys really enjoyed this unboxing, got to see a little bit of behind the scenes. And yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe below, and I'll see you on the next one. Love y'all. Bye. Hey, question for you. Have you been thinking about starting a crystal business, don't know where to start, or feel a lack of community? Well, guess what, you guys? I have a Patreon that has access to a private community and Discord server for just $18 a month. You can learn from other businesses, make friends, learn along with me, and topics include pricing, shipping, Shopify, Etsy, and so much more. So head over and join us on Patreon for just $18 a month. Everything is linked in my bio.